Jason, over here.
Hey, Rainey, nice seeing you again. I can see you have some quick release products with you.
Yeah, these are our best sellers.
Oh, wow. Which industries can FIVETECH's quick release products be applied to?
Yeah, so these products are widely used in AI-related industries, such as AI servers, data center, networking, healthcare, mechanical automation, automotive, AI factories, and so on.
Wow. What are the features of your products?
The first one is toolless quick release. The second is the time saving and labor saving. The third is user friendly, and the fourth is maximization of the space utilization. And the last but not least, the reliable quality.
Wow. Can these products be customized?
Oh, of course. We have a professional research and development center, and all our product can be quickly customized. However, the most important thing is that we already have a wide range of specifications for you to choose from.
Wonderful. How can I reach you if I'm interested in your products?
Certainly, our official website and YouTube channel provide detailed description of all product applications.
Awesome. Looking forward to seeing you again at Computex 2025.
See you!